Hi, I'm Andrew McEwen. Welcome to the Savvy Marketing Show. If you run events, you're going to find today's edition very interesting. First of all, roll titles. What I'm going to show you today is how you can have an event set up on Eventbrite, and when somebody registers for your event, you can be automatically sending their details over to your CRM system, and then from there you can be doing some follow-up sequences with them. And then also when they come to check in at your event, what you can do then. Okay, first of all, here we have a demo event set up in Eventbrite. First of all, I have to point out, I'm not an Eventbrite affiliate. I'm not linked with them in any way, shape or form. I'm not pushing Eventbrite in particular, but I do really feel that Eventbrite have got the event space kind of nailed. They really do offer a great product, and if you're offering free events, it's free to use. I've got a free event, a free demo event to set up here to show you. So you can see on here, if we go to the event page here, we can we're already logged in as a fake customer as Mr. Bilbo Baggins, okay, and he's pre-registered for this event as well for when we're testing, but he's going to register for the event again. He's going to grab one of these fabulous early bird tickets. He's going to check out and just check his details. Yes, that's all fine. Complete the registration, processing the order. Boom, there we go. Thank you very much. And what we'll find is if we go to the emails here, we will very quickly get an email through from Eventbrite saying, yep, there we go. Thank you very much. There are your tickets. Now, we're using Infusionsoft as our CRM system, and here we've already got a contact record set up on Infusionsoft for Bilbo Baggins. If there wasn't already a contact record, then that could be created automatically. If we just refresh his contact record, and we'll just search for it again very quickly, and we bring that back up, you will see that we now have a new tag. A tag is just a way of identifying contacts with different criteria. Okay, so we've added a tag to his record to say TSBS, the Savvy Business Show. He has registered for the 2018 event. The tag can be any name that you like, but it obviously has to be in context with what you're tagging about. So the thing is, when a tag is added to somebody in Infusionsoft, what that can be used for is to trigger off a whole sequence of other events. I want to say other events, processes, okay, or workflows. So what we could actually be saying is, okay, he's been tagged as being registered for the event. We can now put him into a process where we'll send him some pre-event emails. Okay, so say 6 months out from the show, send him this email. 5 months out, send him another email. Or say you've got some upsells that you want to be doing, accommodation for the event, anything like that. Then you could be sending emails about that. And also, when you actually come to the event itself, what you can do is really rather nifty with Eventbrite. Okay, so we go to his emails. Where are we? There we go. There's his emails there. So we'll find the tickets for his event, and we can. That's his ticket there. It's an e-ticket which we can fire up. Okay, and that will be it there. Okay, so that is the that's his ticket with a QR code there. Okay, now if I just fire up my phone here, I've got the Eventbrite organizer app on my phone here. Now you might be able to see that. I know this has been a bit difficult when I've been trying this before, but you can check in attendees on the organizer app here. Okay, you can see he's attended a few times before when we've been testing it, but you can click on the scanner there. Okay, now if I go, I'm going to go and scan the QR code, and you can see that he's saying there that he has checked in to the show. So if we go back to Infusionsoft and have a look at his record there, let's just refresh the page, you'll see there that he has checked in, because what we've got Eventbrite to do is to tell Infusionsoft that Bilbo Baggins has checked in to the event. Now, this is where it gets interesting, because what we can do is we can trigger some more sequences of that. If we go back to here, we've automatically sent Bilbo an email to say, welcome to the show, Bilbo. And we've actually got a little animated GIF going on as well, which has been personalized with his name as well. And what we can do with that is we can then be using that to be triggering off some more sequences. Other uses, or the way that you could extend this, for example, say you've got breakout sessions through your event. During the registration process, you could be asking, what are you interested in? This type of subject, that type of subject, or whatever. And when those breakout sessions are going to be starting, you could be automatically emailing them to say, a breakout session you're interested in is going to be starting in 10 minutes. If we get an SMS number, get the mobile number from them during registration, we could be sending them SMS messages saying, ping, your breakout session is starting very soon. And what you could also be doing is sifting out the registrations from the people who, or the check-ins from the non-check-ins. So people who didn't check in, you could be sending them other information. Sorry you didn't manage to make it along to the show. Here's some more information for you. What else could you do? Well, you could, if you wanted to incentivize people to come along, early to the show, you could have it so, if you check in before 11 o'clock, you'll get a free voucher for something or other. You get a freebie, okay? Or the first 100 people to check in will get another kind of freebie. So you can do all these kind of things. So once you start, thinking about these things, actually it becomes really quite powerful. So I hope you found that interesting. If you want to find out more about how that could be helping your event, then, send me a message, get in touch, and I will do my best to help you. But in the meantime, I will see you on the next Savvy Marketing Show. Bye for now.